As more and more devices are labeled smart, consumers are rightly expecting increasing levels of intelligence from their connected devices. Smartphones, robot vacuums, wearables, drones, video game controllers, and even automobiles now use a wide variety of sensors to give them context in the world they operate and make devices more intelligent. But utilizing these sensors to their maximum potential is hard work and requires scarce expertise. No two sensors are the same, as anomalies like gain, offset, noise, and nonlinearity affect their performance. Additional environmental effects, like temperature changes, different operating modes, manufacturing variances, and aging effects, exacerbate sensor error and can ruin end-user experiences. Ceva has spent over 15 years studying sensors to curb these anomalies, add innovative features, and chase perfection in the use of sensors in intelligent consumer devices. We've developed proprietary hardware and software to exhaustively test and characterize sensors. Our system puts sensors through all permutations of 3D positions, while changing temperature, varying operating modes, and artificially aging. This gives us unique insight and understanding far beyond what sensor manufacturers provide. We use it to create sensor models and run Monte Carlo simulations to write, test, and verify our fusion algorithms to keep them robust and effective. As a result, our sensor fusion capabilities are proven by our customers to be a cut above the rest. But we don't stop there. Ceva develops specialty industry algorithms to further enhance performance, and we productize these under our Hillcrest Labs sensor fusion product line. Ceva has focused on the consumer robotics field to create technology that delivers improved performance and new capabilities to conquer common challenges. Accurate heading is an integral piece of the intelligent navigation equation. The Earth is not flat, and neither are the surfaces that robots need to traverse. Heading drift causes robots to veer off course and clean less effectively. Commonly used single-axis gyroscopes can't reliably identify and react to surface changes, causing them to get stuck and require human intervention. Ceva's 6-axis sensor fusion solutions account for these surface changes, enabling robots to maintain accurate heading and utilize crucial tilt information to navigate changing surfaces that a single-axis gyro cannot. This capability is based on the foundation of the SQTS testing we referenced before, but is also enabled by our state-of-the-art test facility following international standards. Using high-end cameras to track robot position, as well as proprietary analytics software, we can test our algorithms in a realistic environment and optimize for any OEM product. Whatever your stage of development or navigation method, our multi-axis robotics product line can cover your needs. Our pre-calibrated turnkey FSM 300 module helps facilitate simpler prototyping. The B&O 085 SIP offers an all-in-one single-chip package. Our FSP 200 Sensor Hub MCU supports 6-axis sensors from leading suppliers to lend you flexibility in choice and BOM cost. Our Motion Engine Robotics software delivers the algorithms and full software stack to support a variety of sensors and processors. The FSP 200 and accompanying Motion Engine Robotics software offer additional features specifically designed to improve performance, using proprietary low-cost calibration methods in the factory and real-time calibration that happens behind the scenes in your home. Our low-drift heading, multi-axis sensor fusion, factory calibration, and interactive calibration, in addition to our base sensor fusion capabilities, have made Ceva a premier supplier for robotic navigation. Our experience with sensors and expertise in sensor fusion brings OEMs and tinkerers alike immediate value to their motion products. In performance, cost savings, and features, Ceva powers your innovation.